Hello friends, welcome to my channel SB Unstoppable. Today, 20 September current affairs. Let's start. Who is awarded 2020 Dayton Literacy Space Prize? This is Margaret Atwood. She is a prolific writer of poetry. The Handmaid's Tale is the best writing of her. Next question. 10th meeting of BRICS was hosted by Russia, who represented from India. He is Ajit Doval. BRICS full form or which country related to BRICS? Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The participants exchange view on combating terrorism and extremism beside global and regional security issues. What is India's rank in the recent released World Banking Human Capital Index 2020? The rank is 116. The rank of India in the recently released World Bank Human Capital Index 2020 is 116 or 116 in 174 countries, but the last year rank was 115 out of 157 countries. Score of India 0.49 from 0.44. This is based off their potential to prepare and organize the economic and professional potential of its citizen. Major component of human capital. Theme of this section is human capital in the time of COVID-19. Again, human capital in the time of COVID-19. Next question. BRU is one of the 21 scheduled tribes of Philippines. Also, this tribe found in Assam and Mizoram. According to NASA, new cycle of Sun has begun is solar cycle 25. Not only NASA and National Ocean and Atmosphere Administration NOAA both combinedly observe this case. Sun is a massive ball of electrical charge of hot gases. This stage's magnetic field undergoes the solar cycles. This is called solar cycles. After every 11 years, this cycle is rotated. Next question. who has been honored with the Golden Pen of the Freedom Award. This is Jiten Bedoy Lima. Next question. International grouping recently launched global initiative to reduce land degradations and coral reef program. This is GPR. Theme is realize opportunities of 21st century for all. Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana is launched in Gujarat. Gujarat CM is Vijay Rupani and Governor is Acharya Dev Rai. Which bank launched Apna Ghar Dreamage Home Loan Scheme? This is ICICI. This scheme for the skilled labor like electronics, mechanism, grocery store, some others. Restaurant, some others. ILI 2.0 is introduced to boost customer services by